Hello everybody, welcome to the market views update for 21st August 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at important points from yesterday's trading sessions. Markets ended on a bullish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about 483 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 593 crores. Nifty closed about 11,550 levels for the first time in its history. Let's have some look at the quarterly results and news from yesterday. HCL Technologies has fixed August 31st as the record date for buyback. Reliance Infrastructure, there has been some issue going on with Rahul Gandhi making allegations over the Rafale deal. Anil Ambani had issued clarifications on that front. Manpasan Beverages has fixed the record date for dividend for financial year of 17 and 18 as August 31st. The AGM is supposed to be held on September 13th. Euro Pacific Growth Fund sold 34 lakhs 6,733 shares of TVS Motor at 519 rupees 49 paise. Let's have a look at Nifty from yesterday. Nifty opened at 11,502 and closed at 11,551. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,565 and a low of 11,499. The market swung by about 66 points. The markets closed by about 81 points up from the previous day close of 11,470. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,515 and 11,476. Resistance levels at this point of time for Nifty is 11,575 and 11,601. Support levels for Bank Nifty at this point of time is around 28,193 and 28,109. Resistance levels for Bank Nifty is around 28,336 and 28,401. Let's have a look at long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions, because of which the price increases and the open interest also increases. It means that people are opening long positions because they expect the stock to go up in the near short term at least. Tata Motors, Asian Paints and Zee Entertainment have a change in open interest of about 3%, whereas Tata Motors has a change of about 4.59 in its price, which is 11 rupees 85 paise. We have a couple of stocks, Hindalco and Bharati Infratel, all with a change in open interest of about 2%, and with Hindalco Industries with a change in its price of 3.16%, which is 6 rupees 95 paise. We have a few stocks, a couple of them with a change in open interest above 1%, which is Vedanta and Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Both of them have a change of about 3% in its price as well. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening long positions in these stocks. Long unwinding happens when people close their long positions. Lupin, ICICI Bank and Titan, all of them have a change in open interest of above 1%, and Lupin has a change of about 1.36% in its price, and ICICI Bank has a change of about 0.46%, and Titan has a change of about 2.11% in its price. So these are the stocks people are closing their long positions. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note of them. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, and because of which there is a price decrease but the open interest increases. So in this list we have Infosys, where people have taken up short positions and there's a change in open interest of about 4.52%. There is a change of about 3.22% in its price, which is about 46 rupees 10 paise. We have about 3 stocks with a change in open interest of about 3%, which is Bharat Petroleum, Maruti Suzuki and GAIL Limited. We have a few stocks, 3 of them with a change in open interest of about 2%, which is Indian Oil, Hindustan Unilever Limited and Bajaj Finserv. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are opening short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, because of which there is a marginal price increase but the open interest decreases for this particular stock. So we have Sun Pharma, where the change in open interest is close to 5%. We have about 4 stocks where the change in open interest is above 2%, which is Kotak Mahindra, HDFC Bank, Coal India and Bajaj Auto Limited. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are covering their short positions in these stocks. Let's have a look at the world markets. The American markets Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, all of them ended on a positive note. The Canadian markets closed down marginally as of yesterday. The Mexican markets and Brazil closed on a positive note. Chile ended marginally on the negative side. The European markets largely ended on a positive note, as you can see in the slide. England, Europe, France, Germany, Switzerland, all of them ended on a positive note. The Asian markets, except for the Japanese markets, the rest of the Asian markets ended on a positive note. Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty closed at around 0.71 and 0.84% as of yesterday. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was up by about 3.5 points, which is about 0.03%. If this is to give any indication, the market should open at around the same range and probably be range bound for today. The last date for filing income tax returns is 31st August 2018. A penalty for not filing the income tax returns by the last date as given by the Income Tax Department is Rs 5,000. If you need any help with filing your income tax returns, please call 8095 308 555. If you are a trader and if you have made losses in your last financial year, it is very important that you file the income tax returns before the deadline, because only if you file before the deadline you will be able to offset these losses with any profits that you make in the future. Otherwise, for profits that you make in the future, you will be expected to pay income tax returns on those profits. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.